junk? What the crap is this? What the junk? Severe, what the? Huh? What the? Oh.
Southeastern Muskingham County, West Central Noble County, until 9:30 p.m.
That makes sense now.
At 8:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of South Zanesville, or 10 miles southeast of Zanesville, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour.
What the crap?
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Concord, Philo, Cumberland, Norwich, Rural Vale, Chandlersville, High Hill, Duncan Falls, and Blue Rock.
That was so random.
This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 164 and 172.
What the junk was that? What was that?
Here are the 8 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn.
What was that?